Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to receive money with Ria Money Transfer. Whether it's sent directly to your bank, mobile wallet, or for cash pickup, when someone sends you money through Ria, you'll receive a notification either by SMS, email, or directly from your sender containing important details like the PIN number, the amount sent, and the pickup location or delivery method. If the sender chose cash pickup, all you need to do is visit the nearest Ria location or one of their authorized partners. Bring a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or national ID and the PIN number provided by the sender. The agent will verify your information and hand you the cash in your local currency. If the sender used bank deposit, there's nothing you need to do. The funds will be automatically deposited into your bank account. The processing time can vary depending on your country and bank, but it usually takes a few hours to one business day. For mobile wallet transfers, make sure your mobile number is registered with the supported wallet service. Once the transfer is processed, you'll receive a message confirming that the funds have arrived in your wallet balance. You can always track your transfer by visiting riafinancial.com/track or by checking the Ria app using the reference number. That's it. Receiving money with Ria is fast, safe, and convenient, no matter where you are.